Mind you, not be everybody wey dey post hard time with you na dey really dey suffer o. Some are just posting it for you to remove eyes from them. Use your seat belt. Use your seat belt. And not be everybody wey dey post enjoyment na dey really dey enjoy. Some are just posting it just to have fun, for people to see be looking up to them. Stay focused. Stay focused. This is the voice of Prince1 of All Nation talking to you. If this is the first time you are seeing my videos, follow me for more and more. Thank you.